Guys, so today I'll be showing you how you can change the content of HTML using JavaScript. So let's create a new file here. Okay, so we're going to say changing content. Yeah, content.html. Of course, it's HTML. You save it on the desktop. Save it. There it's even showing changing content HTML. So say HTML. Lovely. We say head. We say title. Okay, title. And then what's the title of our page? We say changing HTML content. That's the name of our page. So we say body. In these body tags, that's where we'll be able to write both HTML and the JavaScript. So HTML, you simply say div. Okay, I'm going to say div, and then we say div again. Okay, so this div, they are simply containers, meaning they can contain numbers or text. So we are going to give them text. So the first thing we do is we give them IDs. Okay, so the first one there, I've given it an ID of C1. The second one, I'll give it an ID of C2. Okay, so earlier on I said these are containers, meaning they can contain words as well as numbers. So we're going to say I am container 1, and then here I'm going to say I am container 2. So let's see if these containers have held the two text. Okay, lovely. So there we have it. I am container 1, I am container 2. So we see that the two containers have contained the two text. Okay, so now let's try to manipulate now using JavaScript. So within the body tag, we want to add some JavaScript code. So before we do so, we have to wrap our code in the scripts tag. Script within this script. So within these script tags. Okay. So to change the content of the first container, we're going to do this. We're going to say document dot get element by ID. Now the ID of which container, the first one. So we're going to say C1. So C1, and then I want C1 to change to something else, to say I am changed. Okay, so this content I am container 1 will change into I am changed. So let's test what we've done here. Let's see if it's effective. So this was the first thing. Now let's try to refresh. Bingo. Okay, so the first text has been changed. Compliments of what? Of JavaScript. I am changed. Now let's try to change the second thing. Okay, we can just copy this. Lovely.